Hey, welcome to today's video. I am Amy.
I'm Amanda.
And this is Chaos Break. Today, we are Ipsy. We're doing Ipsy Glam Bag PLus for May.
Big Ipsy.
Big Ipsy.
It's a big Ipsy.
I think I was a big Ipsy. No,
Nice.
So, want to see what's in there? Sit back, take a break with us. So, if you don't know, there's regular Ipsy Glam Bag and then there's Ipsy Glam Bag PLus. They're both monthly. One is like 5 sample-y size things, comes in a bag. It's $10 a month, and Ipsy Glam Bag PLus comes in a box. She's shaking us. It is $25 a month plus tax, and it's supposed to be all full-size items. But the neat thing about this, and I've been very curious about it, is that this is supposedly still curated to you somewhat, unlike BoxyCharm.
Oh, my glasses on. I feel like there's a smudge there.
I don't know, but I feel like you're half out of the video.
You tell me there's a smudge on my face, right?
I don't see a smudge.
I see a smudge.
Where?
Right here.
Oh my god. Okay, so, shall we get into it? We were at Amanda's house today because, I don't know, it's quieter.
Okay. Oh my god, I'm blue.
Woo!
Look at this.
So you take this and you use it to
Cover
press
your face.
in your
Face.
facial oils, and it helps your skin
Stop it.
absorb it
You wouldn't believe
95% more.
This is what it really is. It's a blue bonnet.
A blue bonnet.
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 Like a hat. See? It's all the rage. There you go. I'm going to put that behind
We've
you.
lost our
So
minds.
it annoys Amy for the rest of the video. Just put it right there. Can you take
Continue
that?
on.
Can you take it?
I can take it.
Can you? Get your hand on it.
I'm getting the I'm getting
Get
the
your
card.
hand in my box.
Put my hands in your box, but I want to put my hands in your box. Ta-da! So your dreams are your realities in waiting. Ta-da!
It's a big bottle of something. Butter Me Orange Creamsicle Body Butter.
Ooh.
Smooths, hydrates, nourishes, and deeply moisturizes.
From Pure Elise, and this has a value of $24.
Man. I wanted to smell it. I just squeezed them out.
Why are we friends?
I don't know. Here.
It smells like a creamsicle.
Well, I should probably actually try it.
It smells good.
Burp. Smells nice.
We're very
Such a lady.
yeah.
Such a lady.
She's got her fancy cheese over there, but she's gonna burp.
Fancy cheese.
Her fancy cheese. Her cranberry cheese.
Just careful I don't burp out the other end. I'm hilarious. Okay, moving on.
What?
I don't know.
Did you say give me a hug?
No, I don't. I'm moving on.
You keep going out of the video. She's afraid to be closer to me, apparently. I don't smell. I showered.
Do you know what's in here?
Kind of, yeah.
Stop cheating.
I can't wait for you to try this.
I can't say it. Ill mackage. I just went for it. Ill mackage. Maquillage?
I think it's... I knew how to say it, now I can't after Illumac.
Sure.
It's Illumasque? Illumasque? I don't know. Whatever that brand is. No, I got it. I Llama Squawa.
Yeah, that's how you say it.
Well, it says I Llama.
I'd try it out when I have mascara on.
It's mascara? Okay.
What did you think it was?
I don't know. Well, that's not what I'm looking at, though. From that brand.
Well, then that's not it.
Oh, that's Il Makiage.
Okay.
I was reading something else.
What were you reading?
Something else that also starts with ill.
Okay, well.
So that retails for $25. It's their Icon High Volume and Intense Curl Mascara. Could you just go over?
This is something.
That's the... I don't know how to say that. See? Ilama. That's what I was reading. Ilamascu?
Ilamascu. Ilamask?
Ilamask, maybe.
I don't know. Excuse me. I'm never going to get better. Lip crayons.
They're lip coloring pencils.
I'm not good at these things.
In Lust and Media. Those are $21 each.
I should probably sell them then.
Excuse me.
I can't use these things.
You can.
I can't. I look like a clown. Can't even hold it.
So which one is that? That's
Media.
That's a cranberry red, supposedly. That doesn't look cranberry red. It looks pink.
This looks like cranberry red. Make sure you read the right one.
It says Media is a cranberry red.
And this
I got them in the wrong box.
is Lust. Yeah, this is what Lust looks like.
Because Lust says it's coral pink. I think they got them in the wrong box.
Probably.
Hmm.
Because the outside isn't labeled, so.
Okay. Bet you they got them in the wrong box. I don't know. Maybe
There's
those are-
numbers on them, though. So. Nope. That's the same number. That doesn't help.
I don't know.
Interesting. Well, you got two colors. Does it say on that, or is it just a picture?
Well, Lust is a coral pink and Media is a cranberry red. So, I don't know. You know what I have on my lips right now? It's just lip liner.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Interesting. In the box. We're going to pop them in the box. Cool.
She doesn't say anything. I think this is a Vene. Is that how you say it? A Vene? What is it, Amanda?
Soothing moisture mask.
So this retails for $26. Your daily moisturizer is good, but incorporating a super hydrating mask into your skincare routine will moisturize your skin in the way a face cream can't. This thick and creamy, what does that say? Ooh, thermale of Vene, I don't know. Big words. Mask is powered by spring water, which penetrates deep into skin to soothe, soften, and calm stress out complexions.
I can use that.
I didn't say it has a value of $26.
It reminds me of like baby stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Which is nice.
Yeah.
Let's try that. I can actually use that because my face is always red. People ask me why I'm blushing. I'm like, I'm not.
It's just my face.
Pretty much. It's just my face. This is cute. Wander Beauty Wanderness Seascapes eyeshadow palette. Yes.
Wander Beauty Wanderess Seascape.
What did I say that wrong?
Wanderess or wanderness, you said. It's really dark out right now.
Wanderness.
Wanderness. So this is a 6-pan eyeshadow palette and can transport you to the tropics for a lot less than a plane ticket.
Oh my god.
Loaded with a mix of foil, shimmery, satin, and matte finishes in shades of seafoam, deep blue, sandy brown, sea salt pink, and warm golds.
Purties.
So this has a retail value of $25. Those are pretty. This is the only one that's matte in there, but those are pretty. I've not tried any Wander Beauty eyeshadow. Those are pretty. I could have got this as an add-on
Really?
for $12.
Doesn't really seem to.
That'd be a good crease color, though.
Try to see them. See what I'm doing. I don't know. You do it.
You do it.
You do it. Just watch it and be like,
I did that once.
oh, you did. That's right.
The cat is, or the dog is playing with the cat. Those are pretty. You would wear these, wouldn't you? Yeah.
Sure. When I wear makeup.
Maybe not the blue,
I'm
but
wearing a lot of makeup lately.
those are pretty.
I've given up.
She's just, I don't know how she does it. I honestly don't.
given up. Oh, this is the way I look.
Oh, whatever.
It's pretty.
So I don't know. What do you think?
I think it's probably a good deal.
Okay,
I
so
will not probably use lip liners though. I can try, but
I'll be honest. I've seen a lot of unboxings of this, and I feel like this one was not as exciting as some of the first ones that I've seen.
so I'll give it some more time.
It's up to you. Let's see. We got 25, 50, 76, 97.
I want someone to come up with a box of food that you can pack.
You can. We should do that. There's like goodie boxes and like stuff from around the world, and now you made me forget.
Cheese?
I don't know about cheese, but she's in a weird mood. 50, 76, 97, 121 is the retail value.
What?
So that was Ipsy Glam Bag PLus for me. Did you get it? Do you like it? Do you want to get it? Have you tried any of these things? We'd love to know any of that down below. Amanda's just going to eat her cheese. And if you like videos like this, we'd love for you to join us and subscribe before you go. We'll see you next time.
Eating makes me happy.
I know eating makes you happy. It's okay, sweetie. Bye.
Like, I can't.
I'm scowling.
Look how bad these lines and these lines and these lines.
You don't have lines like that. You have like a little bit right here, but not like...
I have lines right here.
I don't notice that. But these...
I also have 5 chins.
I've been so angry lately that just...
That's about right.
This is my angry face. What's your angry face? That
Or
looks like how
this
you
is
would
what I
look
give
at
the
your-
kids.
Yeah. But I feel like
school.
I just walk around